A glacier is a river of ice that moves slowly downhill under the force of gravity. Whether a glacier is growing, shrinking, or stable is a function of the balance between accumulation and ablation or removal of ice. The balance varies along the glacier. In the zone of accumulation, more ice accumulates than melts and evaporates. In the zone of ablation, more ice melts and evaporates than falls as snow. Glacier ice begins as fresh snowflakes that fall onto the bare ground or on an existing mass of ice or snow. Over time, the snowflakes are buried. They melt and refreeze under the weight of the snow above. The snowflakes transform into granular particles with air pockets. With the addition of more snow above, the granules are squeezed closer together and the air pockets disappear. Further compression causes the ice to melt and recrystallize into a more compact form. Deep within the glacier, the ice flows under its own weight. The ice deforms as it flows. This is known as plastic flow or creep. The rate of plastic flow decreases with depth. If there is a thin layer of water at the base of the glacier between the ice and rock, the ice can slide over the rock and move more quickly. This is known as basal sliding. As the ice slides, it plucks up pieces of rock. The rocks are dragged along by the ice, scraping and abrading the bedrock below. When total accumulation exceeds total ablation, the glacier grows or advances. Newly formed ice moves deeper into the glacier as it flows down the valley and then rises toward the surface at the glacier's lower end. Ice moves faster near the top of the glacier and more slowly near its base. When total ablation exceeds total accumulation, the glacier retreats. The ice continues to flow down the valley, but the total amount of ice decreases and the glacier shrinks. The retreating glacier leaves behind erosional and depositional landforms.